Hey, I know this isn't very professional, but one of my kids is trying to go to sleep, so we're gonna do my paid for unboxing in my kitchen. The lighting's kind of weird. I did curl my hair a couple days ago, and it has lasted. It's kind of gotten, I don't know, funky. But 2 of these I did not get to choose, and then 3 of them I did get to choose. And then actually next month I boosted my box, so I'm gonna get this one Tarte palette that I have not bought, but I've wanted to buy. Stay tuned for my April spoilers. I always do spoilers, so I would subscribe if you want to see spoilers, cruelty-free and vegan beauty, sometimes Costco and Trader Joe's and grocery hauls, all vegan, sometimes vlogs, and then also subscription spoilers and unboxings, and sometimes makeup reviews, whatever I want to post. We have first the Riddle. I think it's called the Riddle oil. It's in the scent Voyeur. I don't see the notes, but I'm putting all the prices on the screen. This smells really good. It's like a light vanilla, but not like a sugary vanilla, like not overly sweet. And then there's the bottle. It smells really good, whatever it is. The notes are. It's just like a light vanilla, and it's a oil, like a rollerball oil, which I like because they last. I don't know, they last pretty long on me. And then I already have a Wonder Beauty palette. So once I get monetized, okay, once I hit my watch hours, I will be doing a giveaway on TikTok, maybe Instagram, and definitely on here. So this is the Wonder Beauty Trailblazer. I already have one, so I'll pop it up on the screen. I don't want to use that one. That one's going to go to giveaway into other products. And then this is the Pomelo & Co. Vanilla Cream Repair and Conditioner. I did choose this. I did not choose this. I got that in my PR unboxing. Vanilla Cream Repair and Conditioner with marshmallow, root extract, and plant proteins. It smells so good. It has like a vanilla scent. It's sweeter than this, but it just sounds so nice. It's like, let's see, a deeply nourishing and restoring conditioner for dry and damaged hair types. After shampooing, apply from mid-length to ends. Rinse for relief after 2 to 5 minutes. It sounds nice. It says no BS, just awesome ingredients. So I do have dry ends and I have an oily scalp, but I do love really, really hydrating conditioners, and like the color is just really fun. This is not cruelty-free, so I did not get to choose this. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. I have heard good things about this from my friend Alicia, Budget Beauty, and other people like Elemis, but they're not cruelty-free, so I'm either going to give this to my mother-in-law or one of my friends. Last but not least, this packaging, like, come on. It gives me like Pat McGrath vibes, which I've never had anything from Pat McGrath except for in these boxes, but I never use it because they're not cruelty-free. It's even like the box is like a pink kind of plastic, like, I don't know. And then look at this. This is from Miss Fame Beauty. It's a cream and powder blush, but like, oh, just the details. And then these beautiful blushes. Let me swatch them. I gotta swatch the powder again. It's very light, but I guess it would be buildable. Maybe a highlighter for some people. I don't know. I think they're buildable, but the blush feels nice. Like this feels really, when you blend this one out, the cream. But even though I'm really fair, it's kind of light. Like it's there on my finger. It's kind of like a brown, like sheen, but still. I mean, we'll have to try it out. Okay, let's try it out. But yeah, that's what I got. Let me know what did you get? What did you choose? Stay tuned for April spoilers. I get this in PR, as well as I pay for the Boxycharm By Ipsy. Stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy.